Yes, Dr. Meenakshi, you are an expert in Ayurveda, and I thank you for coming to give us an interview. And I would like to know something about gout, because gout is a very complicated problem and it is affecting so many people nowadays, and it is severely painful also. So, what is the natural treatment of gout? What are the symptoms? This is what I would like to know. What are the causes and what are the main symptoms and natural treatment for gout?
Okay, about gout. See, gout according to Ayurveda is Adyavat. What
Okay.
do we mean by Adyavat is a rich man disease, because we have seen many rich people, very high class people suffering from gout because their lifestyle and their dietary habits make them sick and they get gout. It is because they keep sitting and they take more of acidic food, more of cheese, more of high protein diet, and that is one reason they suffer from gout. And in Ayurveda it is also called Vat Rakt, because Vat Rakt is that more of Vata accumulation in Rakt. Rakt is blood, and the blood becomes acidic and it is more toxic, and there is formation of uric acid crystals that gives rise to gout, because the people who are suffering from gout, they have the major symptom of swear and pinching pain in big toe whenever they get up early in the morning, and there is stiffness in joints and everywhere, and slowly and slowly there is protruding. We see that osteophytes are becoming very prominent when we get the x-rays done, and it is nothing but uric acid crystals deposits. And so there in Ayurveda we have very simple cure for that. In home remedies we have that patient should take just curcumin, what is haldi, simple haldi. In every Indian kitchen we can find haldi powder used in every vegetable and cooking. So it can be taken with milk and also with water, and in also along with cow ghee, and it gives good results. Moreover, what we need in gout is detoxification of the system, because there is more of acid in nitrogen and uric acid in the body. So how we can do the detoxification? It is simply through using triphala and castor oil. So these are the basic home remedies we use, and the best medicines mentioned according to Ayurvedic text in like in 1100 AD Chakradatta Samhita, it gives it mentions about Navkarshik Churan. Navkarshik, it is a wonderful formation of 9 herbs, and it is used worldwide, and it gives wonderful results once taken at least for 2 to 3 months, and one can get rid of gout, along with the complete combination like Kishore Gugla and Punarnava Mandoor and Gorak Mundi Churan. And I have seen my patients recovering so well without taking any kind of painkillers or going for any therapies or physiotherapy or something like that. They are not bedridden and they don't get any stiffness once they start with this course.
Is this Navkarshik Churna a painkiller or a cleanser or blood cleanser or dissolving uric acid crystals? What it does, this
See,
Navkarshik Churna?
Navkarshik Churna, it starts dissolving, because in Ayurveda we go for the holistic approach, and it
Okay,
works not for the only for the crystals. Like
okay.
if we have a crystal formation, and it doesn't only dissolve the crystals, it detoxifies the whole system. It even works on the liver and improves the liver function, the kidney function.
You mean to say it also dissolves the crystals
Yeah,
as well as improves the
yeah.
function? And what are the, is it important to use the other herbs along with Navkarshik Churna like Kishore Guggal, Punana Mandoor, as you mentioned, Gorak Mundi Churna? Is it important to use all of them together, or
See, the
only
complete
Navkarshik
therapy,
is okay?
once we go for the complete
Okay.
therapy, I would recommend all my patients to have the complete course, because if you want permanent results, only taking one thing like just experimenting with Kishore Google or taking Gaurav Mundi, it won't detoxify the system. So
What are the other?
Navkarshik
Okay.
is really important for the
Yeah.
complete combination.
Okay. So you mean to say that we should, the patient should use the complete combination
Yeah.
of about 3-4 medicines, Ayurvedic medicines.
Yeah, because it is like a complete pack that works throughout the system, detoxifying it and flushing out the crystals from the body, and even if there are deformities that are coming in the joints, it
Okay.
also goes.
What are the dietary modifications one can do to prevent and treat gout?
See, as I told you, gout is just because of high protein diet. So if we cut down with the protein diet and more of the acidic and fried food,
Okay.
like more of citrus fruits, lemon, oranges, and too much of yogurt. We see people taking yogurt
Yes.
throughout the day. So yogurt is not recommended
In
to
gout.
be taken at night because it gives heaviness in the system and
Okay.
generates more acid in the system. So it should be avoided.
What about the non-veg diet?
Non-veg diet, again I would say that it should be balanced with more of salad and fiber food so that it flushes out the system. If it keeps depositing in the system, then definitely it is not good.
And what about the alcohol intake?
Alcohol should be again I would say it should not be taken in very high quantity. One should, if the patient really wants to get rid of gout, he should immediately cut down on alcohol.
Okay. So I think cutting down alcohol and stopping the high protein intake and using some Ayurvedic herbs like Navkarshik and Punarnwa Mandur, Gorakh Mundi Churna and Kishore Google. These are the things which we came to know from Dr. Meenakshi today, and I thank you very much for giving such a vital information on this dreadful disease, and I hope it will be useful for the viewers of this video. Thank you very much. I want to ask you one last question, Dr. Meenakshi. Where we can get these herbal supplements, these Ayurvedic medicines, which is a reliable source?
See, you can. It would be better if you just log on to the website planetayurveda.com and you can get the complete information
Okay.
what about the dose, how to take the medicine,
Okay.
all about the shipping of the medicine, how to procure that. All the information.
If someone
is
is
there.
not willing to buy online, and if someone is not, there are some people who don't have credit cards and they still want to get rid of the gout. So is there any way they can use some home remedies, and any home remedies you would like to suggest to our viewers for gout?
Home remedies, yes, as I told you, we can take curcumin and we can take cow ghee in milk as
Okay.
well as castor oil and cut down with citrus food like more of lemon and
Okay.
ketchup sauce, tomatoes. That should be cut down and this works very well with the system. And take more of black pepper in diet because
Okay.
it purifies the system. It avoids the accumulation of high protein diet and fat in the body.
Thank you, Dr. Meenakshi. Thank you very much.